Hello and good morning. Welcome back. So I hope you might have enjoyed my last period of simple equations. Now today we'll study exercise 4.1. Okay, I think I have given question 1 as homework. So question 2, now check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Okay, so from that I can solve B. So exercise 4.1 question 2 B. Exercise 4.1 question 2 B. So B, 7n plus 5, that is equal to 19, and the value of n here is n is equal to minus 2. Okay, so when n is equal to minus 2, LHS, what is LHS? 7n plus 5. Now value of n is given as to be minus 2. So 7 into minus 2 plus 5. 7 2s are 14, plus into minus, minus, plus 5. Now difference in sign, go for, yes, subtraction. So 14 minus 5, 9. Give the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 14. What sign it has got? Minus. So give minus sign. Now LHS is minus 9. How much is RHS? RHS is 19. So are they equal? No. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. So from this what we can say that n is equal to minus 2 is not the solution of equation. You have to find out, right? So this is second, that is B. Then I can go for D. So I am rubbing this. So now question 2 D, 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. In bracket p is equal to 1. Okay. Now, so LHS, when p is equal to 1, LHS, what is LHS? 4p minus 3. Now value of p is 1. So 4 into 1 minus 3. So 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Right? Now RHS. RHS 13. Are they equal? No. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So from this what we can say, therefore P is equal to 1 is not the solution. Is not the solution of equation. Okay, so here also we get it is not the solution. Okay, now let us see F. So F 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 and value of p is equal to 0. So when p equals to 0, so therefore LHS 4p minus 3. Now value of p is, yes, 0. So 4 into 0 minus 3. Now 4 into 0 is, yes, 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. Oh yes, minus 3. So what do you get? What is RHS? 13. So what do you get? LHS is not equal to RHS. Yes, there you are. So from this what we can say? Therefore, p equals to 0 is not the solution of equation. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Now let's go for question 3rd. Now I believe that you will solve the remaining questions from this as homework. Okay. So I am rubbing this. Now question 3rd. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. And from that, so I am going to solve second one. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay. You have to solve this equation by trial and error method, means different values we have to try. Okay. So, and the value for which we get solution, means it is satisfied, this equation is satisfied, that will be the solution of this equation. Okay. So first, suppose if I say when m is equal to 1. Okay. So therefore LHS, what it is, 3m minus 14. So 3 into 1 minus 14. So 3 1s are 3 minus 14. Difference in sign. Go for subtraction. So 14 minus 3, 11. Give the sign of bigger number. That is minus. RHS 4. Right? So what can you say? LHS is not equal to RHS. Means definitely m is equal to 1 is not the solution. So we can say therefore m is equal to 1 is not the solution. M is equal to 1 is not the solution. Right? Then suppose if I say when m is equal to, now we will take another value. When m is equal to suppose 3. Okay? So LHS, what is LHS? 3m minus 14. So 3 into 3 minus 14. So 9 minus 14. Again difference in sign, go for subtraction. Give the sign of bigger number. 14 minus 9, 5. And bigger number is 14. Sign minus. Exactly. Okay. So again RHS is 4. Right? So what you can say? Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. So therefore m is equal to 3 is not the solution. Right? Then what can we do? Next value. When m is equal to 5. Okay. So when m is equal to 5, LHS 3m minus 14. So 3 into 5 minus 14. 5 threes are 15 and 15 minus 14 कितना हो गया 1 बट RHS कितना है 4 सो क्या कह सकते हैं LHS not equal to RHS. So from that what I can say, therefore M is equal to 5 is not the solution. Now suppose if I take, so I have to go further. If I take when M is equal to 6, right? So LHS, क्या है LHS? 3M minus 14. So 3 into 6 minus 14. Value of M is here 6. 6 is 18. 18 minus 14. 4. Oh my God! And what is RHS? 4. तो क्या मिलता है आपको? LHS equals to RHS. Exactly. Right. And so what I can say? Therefore, M is equal to 6 is the solution of equation 3M minus 14 is equal to 4. There you are, right? So first one you solve in this way. Okay, there are only 2 examples in this exercise. So first one I will hope you will solve in this particular way. Okay, now so I will go for next question. That is now question number 4. Write the equations for the following statements. Now statements are given, we are supposed to prepare equations from them. Okay, so I am solving second one, question 4 second. Okay, so question 4 second. 2 subtracted from y is 8. So what we have done, y is a number, 2 is subtracted from y. So y minus 2, 2 subtracted from y is 8. Is means equal to 8. So that is what the equation is. Then fourth one, the number b divided by 5 gives 6. Number b divided by 5, divided, I can write it like this, divided by 5 gives 6, gives yani equal to, gives 6. Okay, now sixth one, 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. M is the number, and how many times 7 you have to take? 7 times. Means what you have to do? Multiply m by 7. Yes. So 7 times m, 7m. And then plus 7. So what you will do? Add 7. And then what they get? Gets you 7. Means what? 77. Gets you 77. Means what? Equal to 77. Okay. Then eighth one. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. Which is the number given? Y. You have to take 6 away from, away means subtract. From whom? From 6 times y. This is y. 6 times y, multiply by 6. Yes. So 6y. And you are taking away 6. Means you are subtracting 6. So 6y minus 6. And what you get? You get 60. Do you understand? So ninth one. What is ninth one? If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Now, the given number is z. What do? You add 3. To whom? To 1/3 of z. 1/3 means it will be like this. Z into 1/3. Okay. And you add 3 to it. So plus 3. And so what you get? You get 30. So that is equal to 30. Now this I can write it as, therefore, z1 is z. So z upon 3 plus 3 equals to 30. I hope you have understood how to put the statements in equation. Understand them. Go through the wordings carefully and then put them in equation. And it's not difficult, my dear friends. Once you learn this technique till 10th standard, most of the algebraic expressions will be easy for you. Get command over this. Get command over this. Okay. So, remaining examples of this, you will solve them. Okay. Now question number 5. Question 5, write the following equations in statement forms. Previously what we have done, we have formed equations from the statements. Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to write statements from the equation, exactly opposite of that. Okay, so question number 5. So I am going for again second one. M minus 7 is equal to 3. So, what we have done, 7 is subtracted from M, right? And what you get? 3. So, how I can make this a statement? 7 subtracted from number M gives 3. Now, I have written in this way, means does it mean that you are supposed to write in this way? There are other ways also expressing this. For example, Sajiri Didi Parulekar writes it like this. 7 taken away from M gives 3. That is also correct. When I am taking them away, that means I am subtracting. Meaning is same. So use words whose meaning will not change. Okay. So 7 subtracted from number or 7 taken away from a number. Meaning is same. So you can form your wordings, but meaning should not change. Do you understand? So it does not mean Anil saraंनी असं केलंय म्हणजे असंच केलं पाहिजे. तुम्ही तुमची वाक्य बनवा. आप अपनी sentence बनाइए, but the meaning has to be same. Okay. Now, fourth one. Fourth one, M upon 5 is equal to 3. So what I can write? The number M divided by 5 gives 3. Okay. Then I can go for 6th. 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. So 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. So what can we do? 4 added to 3 times p gets you 25. 4 added to what? 3 times of p. Okay, gets you 25. Okay, so we can write it here. 4 added to 3 times of P. 3 times P. 3 times P gets you 25. Okay? Then, after 6th, I can go for 8th one. Okay? So, 8th one, P upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. P upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now, this can be done in various ways also. 2 added to a number divided by a number P divided by 2 gives you 8. Or I can write it another way. How? 2 added to half of number P gives me 8, because P upon 2 is half of P exactly. Okay. For example, suppose if P is 10. 10 upon 2 is 5. Right? So it is exactly half. So here we can write it like this. 2 added to. 2 added to a number half of P gives what? 8. So 2 added to a number half of P gives 8. Okay, or you can write simple statement. 2 added to P divided by 2 gives you 8. Okay, so it depends how you make the statements. Okay, the only thing is meaning should not change, right? Now, question number 6. Okay, last. We'll complete this exercise today, right? Now question 6. Set up an equation in the following cases. Means you are just supposed to set up the equation. You are not supposed to solve. Okay. So first and third I will do. Second and fourth you do it as homework. Now see. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. In bracket they have said, take M to be the number of Parmeet's marble. So what we will do? We will say first, let M be the number of marbles with Parmeet. Okay, now 7 marbles more than 5 times. Okay, so 5 times of M. 5 times of M will be how much? 5M. Right? We are going step by step. Then what it is said? Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times. Now we will put the equation. 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles with Parmeet. 5 times the marble, 5M. 7 marbles more means what? Yes, plus 7. Okay. And then Irfan has how many marbles? 37. So that is equal to 37. Do you understand? So 5M plus 7 is equal to 37 is the required equation. So therefore 5M plus 7 is equal to 37 is the required equation. Write the statement. Okay, final statement is important. Now, I feel you have understood this. Okay, now, next I will go for third one. what it says, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. They have said take the marks, lowest marks to be L. So we will assume, let the lowest marks obtained be L, right? Now, twice the lowest marks. So twice the lowest marks. How much it will be? 2L. Am I right? And then teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by the student is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So highest marks scored that is equal to what? Twice the lowest marks plus 7. So twice the lowest marks plus 7. And this highest marks is given. How much? 87. So what it means? Therefore, 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. Do you get it? So, therefore, 2L plus 7 is equal to 87 is the required equation. So, dear students, I hope whatever the examples I have solved, you have understood. Now what I am doing, I am not giving the videos of 10 minutes. I have increased the time. The reason is, if I don't take in this way, it will take 50 long years to complete the portion of 7th standard. We are just on 4th topic now. We cannot complete the topics as fast as possible. And so I have decided that I will take period of nearly 20 to 30 minutes as I require, and I will post the video most probably on my YouTube channel, and there you will watch it and you will write it down. So you will write it down all these examples and you will solve the remaining examples that I have not solved as homework, and if there is any doubt you will ask me. Definitely you should ask. Okay, so thanks for your cooperation and goodbye. Till then, have a nice day.